Y'all know I'm a little crazy. Hold up. Wait. All right, fam. Here it goes. Ready? Bam! 2019! This is how you bring it in. Like, what is wrong that makes me be like this? And you all encourage me because you keep watching. And I love you for it. Hey fam, Chef Lorious here. It is time to cook. Guys, tonight we are making up fun snacks for New Year's Eve. Whether you're just at home with the kids hanging out or you're just watching a bunch of movies, this is some sweet popcorn, some savory popcorn, and some saltine taffy, toffee, chocolate thingy. I don't know what to call it. Hopefully we figure it out. Let's get to it.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Just to make sure I did it right. Oh man, look at that. See that? Oh yeah, that's how you bring me a movie. This is delicious. Okay. And your kids will love it. This is really good. And it's just a whole different flavor profile. I'm trying to get a see, I'm trying to be healthy-ish. Oh, I love this. Oh, okay, I stop. telling you. So simple, yet so delicious. All right, guys, you got it? Well, that's it, guys. We made the good food. I'm ready to go tear it up, but before I do, I gotta say thank you. Thank you guys for making 2018 an amazing year for Chef Lorious. We've done some awesome things. Thank you for keeping me in Williams-Sonoma. Thank you for helping me launch Jam Vino. Thank you for helping our numbers skyrocket, I mean what I call skyrocket, on all of our social media platforms. I appreciate you guys. I love you, and I'm telling you, next year, cookbook is coming. It's not just up here coming. It's written, it's out there. We're in edit mode. It is coming. So stay tuned, guys, for more great things to come. I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful evening and a blessed new year.